Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best dash cam for car. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5, Vantrue N5 for 4-channel Wi-Fi 360-degree all-sides dash cam. Think a single dash cam covers your whole car? I'm an automotive safety expert with years in fleet tech. Most dash cams miss crucial angles, leaving you exposed. Blind spots mean missed evidence in accidents or theft. Introducing the Vantrue N5 True 360-degree all-sides coverage. 4 synchronized cameras capture front, rear, cabin, and sides. Unique rear cabin lens monitors kids, pets, and trunk security. Starvis 2 sensors and IR. Night vision ensure clarity even at night. 5G Wi-Fi and GPS will let you preview, share, and track instantly. Voice control keeps your hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. Buffered parking mode records before and after any incident. Loop recording and G-sensor lock vital evidence automatically. Built to withstand extreme heat and cold. Reliable year-round. Compatible with nearly any vehicle. Easy to install and adjust. Thousands trust Vantrue N5 for rideshare, family, and fleet safety. Upgrade your protection. Choose Vantrue N5 for total peace of mind. Number 4. WANLIPO dash cam front and rear. Think dash cams only help after accidents? Think again. I'm a vehicle safety specialist with years of field experience. Most dash cams miss crucial details or are hard to use, but the WANLIPO A13 4K dual dash cam changes everything. It records in crystal clear 4K front and 1080p rear. 170 wide angle minimizes blind spots, full road coverage. Connect instantly via 5G 8's Wi-Fi and the REDTIGER app. No VIP needed for viewing, downloading, or sharing footage. Loop recording with a 64GB card means you never miss evidence. The G-sensor locks footage during impacts. Nothing gets lost. Parking mode protects your car even when you're away. WDR and night vision ensure clarity in low light conditions. Compact design installs easily, staying discreet behind your mirror. One customer caught a hit-and-run, footage saved by A13. Backed by 1-year warranty and responsive support. Protect your drive. Choose WANLIPO A13. Order yours today. Number 3, PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam. Want total peace of mind on the road? Check this out. First reason, true 360-degree coverage with 4 adjustable HD cameras. Capture every angle, front, rear, left, and right. No blind spots. Second reason, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for real-time tracking. Easily share videos and track your route right from your phone. Third reason, superior night vision and 24/7 parking surveillance. Clear footage day or night keeps your car protected always. Perfect for rideshare drivers, fleet managers, or safety-conscious owners. Time-lapse mode saves memory and makes reviewing footage a breeze. No battery inside means no overheating or swelling in hot cars. Automatic crash lock secures important videos for insurance claims. Easy installation, just follow the user manual and you're set. Comes with a free 128GB card. Start recording right away. Ready to upgrade your car's security and documentation? Tap the link, grab your PRUVEEO 360 dash cam, and drive smarter. Don't wait. Protect yourself and your vehicle today. Number 2, ROVE R2 4K dual dash cam front and rear. Think all dash cams record equally well, day or night. I'm a tech reviewer specializing in automotive security solutions. Most dash cams struggle with clarity and night vision. Blurry details can mean lost evidence after an incident. That's why I recommend the ROVE R2 4K dual dash cam. It captures 4K video up front and 1080p at the rear. Both cameras offer ultra-wide coverage. See more of every drive. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures superior night vision. Even in low light, footage stays sharp and vibrant. Instantly download videos via 5G Wi-Fi at up to 20 members. Manage and share footage easily using the ROVE app. Built-in GPS logs route, speed, and location for every trip. 24-hour parking mode protects your car even when you're away. A free 128 card means you're ready right out of the box. Upgrade your driving security with the ROVE R2 4K Dual today. Drive smarter. Capture every moment, day or night. Number 1. REDTIGER 4K. Dash cam front and rear. Tired of worrying about road incidents and unclear footage? Imagine driving with total confidence day or night. Meet the REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K front and 1080p rear dash cam. Starvis 2. Sensor captures every detail, even in low light. WDR and HDR technology ensure crystal clear night vision. Control your dashcam hands-free with simple voice commands. Smart touchscreen lets you lock videos or capture moments instantly. Built-in GPS logs your route, speed, and location for every drive. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables ultra-fast video transfer to your phone. Easily share footage with friends or insurance companies via app. Loop recording and G-sensor mean you never miss critical events. 24-hour parking mode protects your car even when parked. Installation is quick. Mount, connect, and you're ready to go. Enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month guarantee and 24/7 support. Upgrade to REDTIGER F7N Touch. Drive smarter, safer, and stress-free. Don't wait. Secure your journey with REDTIGER today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.